We know there are challenges in the built environment space, but what are some of the solutions which the task team have developed?
So what was great about the report is that it built a sense of experience, of lived experience in dealing with these city institution environments and the political administrative interface. And what we really got out of participants of the study was that despite all of the complicatedness of city government and the interface breakdown, you still have the ability and the agency to move projects and programs forward. So what we asked in the work was to get experiences from people of how they had gone about that. So what tactics they had used. There are a number in the report, but one of the ones that struck me and which was quite cross-cutting was that in order to really deal effectively with the interface, there was the sense that both practitioners and politicians needed to be more community-centric. So they needed to put the community at the forefront of what it is they were doing in decision-making. And the point that was captured is to be proactive about public engagement. And we don't see this often enough. So one of the respondents says, my experience is that you are better off doing the difficult things up front, the pain of going to the community and 3 months of groundwork. And if you get that right, the process is solid. In a particular case, we started off that project. It was meant to be like a 3-month project. In 3 months since we went to site, they hadn't done bugger all. It took 3 months to go back and sort out all the things, once all this was sorted, it ran like clockwork according to the time schedule. So we must spend time and pain going through the initial community engagement phase.
I think for me, the whole idea of implementation has become such a challenge where we have really good plans, but because of the interface, the implementation doesn't really happen sometimes. So one of the tactics here was the use of strategic implementation, project implementation teams. And the quote says, I established a strategic project team with the World Cup. It caused a bit of conflict in the city. Other people, architects, felt that they should be doing. So 7 people drove a 6 billion Rand capital project. They had a good idea on what was going on in other departments, produced things more efficiently, more effectively. And I could say to other departments, look how efficiently they are doing things. You have to live with silos, but have a committee with a degree of power for the city manager to drive things. So it worked very well.